So they have very categorically given an algorithm that if you get a type 3 supracondylar fracture, which has if impending compartment syndrome, the 5P signs what we call, or if there is a pink pulseless hand, and if there are more than 2 nerves affected, then no matter, this warrants immediate attention and the patient needs to be taken as soon as possible in OT, and you need to go ahead and treat it with immediate reduction and filling. But if none of these are there is no compartment, the intact neurovascular status is there, the child is comfortable, yes, there would be some swelling. So what to do? So this particular fracture can be very well treated as an elective one as per our convenience, and we don't have to stress ourselves to wheel that patient immediately. So you can very well immobilize the fracture in about 60 to 70 degrees of flexion in an AE slab and mainly monitor for the swelling, pulse, and the impending sign of compartment syndrome, the first being increase in analgesics dosage than usual.